Okay, I'm not having much luck. Oh, baby. This guy is 3 weeks old almost in a few days. It's so tiny. But I've been cotton swabbing and with water, trying to get the eyes wet and cleaned up a little bit, but it's not working. I held some food and water up and was a hungry little bugger, but I don't want to work too much on the eyes. She can't really, she gets frustrated. Since she ate, she just needs to cuddle, and I'm doing it when I can and giving her breaks. She can't see anything right now, pretty much. Both eyes are shut. Poor thing. No, baby, no. I'll let y'all know.